How to see all accounts you hide stories from Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily see all accounts you hide story from on Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app, and then here once you're on your Instagram, go to your profile, and then here tap on these three lines in the top right corner. Then tap on settings, and here in settings tap on privacy. Then here tap on story, and here in the top you will see hide story from, and here you will see all of the people you hide story from. So tap here, and here are the all of the peoples you hide story from. So if you want to unhide from someone, you have to uncheck them. So tap here to uncheck them. And you can also search here, and then to save it just go back. And so this is how you can see all of the accounts you hide story from on Instagram. Thanks for watching.